My name is Leo. I went bald when I was around 20, 21 years old, and as year went by, I wanted to do something about being bald, and all of a sudden I bumped into SMP. I started seeing it on social media like Instagram and all that, and I started doing research and looking into it, and then I did it. I finally did it, and it's the best thing I did, man. SMP is amazing. It just changed your life, make you feel more younger, more confidence. It's the best thing.